Hello and welcome to DC Tech Talks. This is an unboxing video of DCode DC 3R series receipt printer. So let's try and find out what do we have inside the box. So we have two models in this series. One is DC3R1, which is USB only printer. This is DC3R3, which is USB, serial and Ethernet interface printer. So you get three interface in this printer. Let's try and unbox. So we have this user manual along with a driver CD. So the driver and all the important software is inside the CD. And what do we have here? This is a sample receipt roll, and this is a power cord. This is, let's see, what is this? This is a power adapter. And since this is a 3-interface printer, you get an additional serial cable along with the USB cable. And if you happen to have an Ethernet cable and you want to use the printer online, you can use the printer online. And lastly, this is a receipt roll holder. So you'll be able to fit in your receipt roll with the help of this holder. And this is the beautiful printer, which is DCode DC3R3, right? So let's try and find out what do we have in this printer. So looking at the interface, so this is the interface. What do we have? This is USB interface, this is serial, and this is Ethernet port. This is the port for cache drawer, and this is the power port. And we have this power button right in front, and on top this is the feed button, this is the power light, error light, and this light will blink once your receipt roll is over. On the side we have a single push button, right? And if we push this, you will be able to open your receipt printer quite easily. And this is the printer from the inside, and this is how we put the receipt roll holder inside the printer. So this was the unboxing of DC3R series receipt printer. Hope you liked the video, and thank you so much for watching.